And when we met, did you know you would trust me? You would, you could, in time, another time, our paths will cross again. Your path will become mine. Let me be the one you come to. In the end, the one you trust. And I will be your friend.
Last time on Strange Days of Lake Holsey High.
Guys, that's my mom.
The Josie Trent problem can no longer be ignored. It must be neutralized by any means necessary.
Lucas, I need you to show me everything you learned about the vortex so I can go back to October 4th, 1987, get the ball back, prevent the accident from happening, and everything goes back to the way it should be.
Josie, that's crazy. Cardinal rule. You don't change the smallest thing about the past, remember?
No matter what insanity gets thrown at us next, we face it together.
Sorry, guys. It's over, Victor. Once and for all. Lake Holsey. Condemned. What happened? Josie, you should have listened to us. Victor and Sarah were supposed to have that ball. Victor's the good guy. You were meant to bring it to him. It was your destiny. But now, Josie, what have you done?